Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. One unboxing per day during 31 days. This sentence is still hard to pronounce. Even in French, I'm like always like 31, à 1 and which day and voila. Bref, let's do it. So, today, as you could see in the thumbnail, we will have some Dior on the menu. I'm pretty lucky because this one, even if it's pre-loved bag, I got it with the box. Dior is a fashion house that I really love. I think the history and everything that Christian Dior did is simply amazing. He let his mark in the fashion history. Unfortunately, I'm not a client of the brand. I think I never bought anything new from Dior. I have a lot of accessories and handbags, but I always bought pre-loved or vintage. Why? Because it's not new what I will say. We all know that, and if you don't know, now you know. Dior doesn't hold its value. Even if you buy like a Lady Dior, you will not be able to get your money back. You will sell it for half of the price, and this is something that I do not like, because if it's a bag, for example, I bought like some Saint Laurent bags for 1,000, 2,000 max, and I know I'm going to lose money when I will resell it. It's a fact. But I refuse to buy a bag 3,000, 4,000, and knowing that I will lose money, because yeah, of course we do not buy something thinking about the resale, but I do. And when and I did the French video of this just before, and I was explaining to my French followers, if you give me an envelope with 4,000 US dollars, and you give me the choice to go to Louis Vuitton or Dior or whatever and buy something new, and take this money and buy something vintage or pre-loved, I will buy something vintage or pre-loved. And I will, try to buy some Chanel, because I know it's it's my favorite brand, and it's a brand where I know I will be able to get my money back. So voila. But coming back to this beauty, even if it's not new, and I still love it, and it's something I really wanted to have in my collection, and you will understand why. It came with dust bag, and today we will have some Lady Dior, with Swarovski crystals, and it's not a leather bag, it's a satin. I have to learn English. How do you say satin en anglais?
Help Siri. Where's the pronunciation thing? Traduction. Satin. Non, traduction. Satin. Tic-tac, tic-tac. Sérieusement? Where's the pronunciation thing? C'est pas possible. Ah, voilà. Change. English. Non. Ok, satin.
Satin.
Almost like French, but more difficult to pronounce.
Satin. Satin.
Yeah. Not going to pronounce this because I'm unable. So, the bag is made out of And the handles is made out of plexiglass, I think. And don't tell me in English it's not plexiglass, because I'm not going to search how to pronounce it. I should, but it's too hot now. And so this is a mini Lady Dior. And as you can see, I got it from Vestiaire Collective. And as you know, or maybe not, when you have a mini Lady Dior, you don't have a zip, you have this flap that you just open like this, and inside it's black fabric. We cannot see with the monogram, and you have a little zip. And yeah, this is a little mini bag. It's my second one. I have a black one. I will put the picture here. And I just love this bag because I think it's such a fancy, elegant, timeless bag that I just love. And when I saw this color, I was just obsessed because I became obsessed with gray colors. I just think it's really, really elegant. And I do regret when I started my collection, I regret I didn't buy more gray bags because it's a beautiful color. You can wear, you know, from summer to winter to spring to autumn. So it's a beautiful color. So I cannot recommend enough to get a gray bag. And I really love the Lady Dior's with the Swarovski details because I don't know, it's just adds an extra something to the bag that I love to death. And I bought it a year ago almost. It was 30th of June of 2021, and I got it for around $900 on Vestiaire Collective, which I think it's a really good price. I think that mini Lady Dior's retails for around 3,000, and as I said, it's 3,000 you will lose if you, at least half of it, if you decide to sell your bag. And I think if one day I decide to resell this bag, I can earn a little extra, or at least I will get my money back. So I think it's a really good deal. And yeah, voila, this is a bag that doesn't come with a strap. I'm not sure I will be able to find the year of this collection because it was a time ago. Even if Dior, I think they are doing, you know, like mini Lady Dior's with those Swarovski crystals again. But this is an old one. And yeah, they didn't come with a strap. And my battery will stop right now. Well, my battery died, sorry. So let's go back to it. I don't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, I don't remember. I think we should finish the video here. Sorry about that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about it. I think it's a beautiful bag, even if I'm not going to wear it to buy some bread and croissant Sunday morning. It's definitely a fancy bag you will carry to go to a brunch or to a fancy dinner. And this fabric, it's really delicate, very, very elegant, but very, very delicate. So yeah, do not wear it for bread, like going to buy bread. Guys, let me know what you think about this one. Spoiler alert, we will have another one during this month. She is so pretty. And I think after that I will do my mini Lady Dior handbag collection. I think I have 4. And if we talk about Lady Dior's in general, I think I have 7. It's a lot. 7 Lady Dior's. Okay, I should calm down a little bit because it's not a bag that I really wear, so I don't know how I could came this far. Bref. Guys, let me know what you think about it, and if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. And I see you tomorrow for unboxing number XYZ. I don't know which one's gonna be. And thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your support. Je vous embrasse, je vous fais des gros bisous et je vous dis à demain. Bye!